This might be the easiest travel drone in 2026, and let me tell you why. I've been testing what might be the best companion you need in 2026 if you are a travel creator or somebody that loves traveling and getting those beautiful shots. You can get them across cities, jungles, beaches, and honestly, I didn't expect this. And all it takes, guys, is one click of a button from the top like that, and you get amazing shots like this. Honestly, one of the hardest things about filming content whilst traveling is filming yourself. For example, having to carry around things like tripods or asking strangers on the street to take a video of you, and then missing those epic moments that you know that you could have had if you just had somebody or something that could have taken that video or photo for you. And whilst you're traveling, one of the worst things is missing those shots, and I'm sure a lot of people can probably relate to that as well. So over the past few months, I've been using something that has completely helped me so much when I'm traveling and I'm filming content on the go, and it is this little bad boy here that basically fits right into my pocket. You can see it literally also fits in the palm of my hand. That is how small this amazing device is. And what I love mostly about it is the design. You literally just fold it like that, and there you go. You have your little cameraman on the go wherever you travel to around the world. In a city like Kuala Lumpur, getting shots like this usually takes a lot of effort, but when you have such a small drone like this that can follow you around and get through tight spaces without causing too much of a fuss in the surroundings, and people honestly don't mind because it's such a small drone. Or if you're going through like a forest or jungle type area, which are a lot more difficult than the city, to be totally honest with you, because of the tracking and the amazing sensors that it has on the device. Honestly, it's such a game changer because it's able to dodge all of those branches and trees in the way to make sure it stays tracking and following you. Or whether you're on the beach, this is where it really shines. You're able to get those beautiful smooth beach shots with the incredible scenery around you, which just gives you those beautiful holiday shots that you usually couldn't get if you're on your own. Even tracking on a bike, if you want to take a bike ride with your other half or on your own, there's a mode that tracks you on your bicycle so you can just ride freely while it comes right behind you, which is just so beautiful because you can get insane cinematic shots exactly like this one. And when it comes to modes and the selection, what I like is you don't even need to know how to fly a drone. You just pick the shot you want, then it just does exactly what you want. So the different modes that it has is follow mode, orbit, 360 spin, droney, rocket, and if you want full control when you're in beautiful surroundings like this and want to get those unique shots that only you probably can get in manual mode, you've also got the manual flight mode, which you can use directly from your iPhone when you connect to the app, or you can use the manual controller. You've also got different ways to control it. You can use it straight from the device where you literally just press and choose as you want. So you've got all the different modes. When you select it on the device itself, it will show you if it's a droney, 360 spin, follow, or orbit. All you need to do is just literally press the button. I would say that's perfect for the beginners that's never flown a drone before. Or you can also use the small screen controller. That is very, very handy because you can also see what the drone sees and you can control the different options and things that you can have on screen. Or if you want full manual control, you can attach the full controller and fly it manually exactly like this. You just take it apart and attach each side to the screen controller, and there you go. You've now officially got a joystick that you can hold in your hands with the little knobs that you can turn left, right, up and down, diagonal, however you choose to fly the drone how you like. When it comes to camera quality, this thing is seriously impressive for its size. You've got 4K video and even 8K shooting capabilities, which is kind of crazy for something that literally fits in your pocket. The footage comes out super sharp, detailed and perfect whether you're shooting YouTube videos or short form content. You can also shoot in 1080p at higher frame rates, which is ideal if you want smoother, more cinematic motion, especially when you're moving or capturing action shots. It also takes 12 megapixel photos, which are more than good enough for social media or travel shots. But honestly, where this thing stands out isn't just the quality, it's how easy it is to actually get the shot. This thing is packed with AI powered shooting modes that basically turn you into your own camera crew. You got all the different modes which track you automatically, like I mentioned earlier, like the follow mode, orbit mode, zoom out and bird's eye view, which is just perfect. And if you're wondering how much this thing weighs, it's ultra lightweight. It's only 125 grams. It's foldable and pocket size, and it's fully enclosed propellers, safe for indoors and around people. And in terms of the battery, it's around 10 to 12 minutes per flight, and they're swappable batteries. You get this beautiful little case that comes with the Pro Max, and you're able to charge them on the go with USB-C as well. And they're super creator friendly, so they shoot in vertical and horizontal shots, and you got instant clips ready for social media. And with the app on the phone, you can directly transfer the videos onto your phone from the device. So if you're out and about and you want to quickly upload a photo or video, you can do so. Honestly, this isn't just a normal drone, it's like having a personal cameraman that fits directly in your pocket. One thing I really like about the Pro Max version is that it doesn't just come as a drone on its own, it actually comes as a full setup, and the hard case makes a big difference. First off, you get a dedicated hard case for the drone itself, along with your batteries and the charging hub. Everything has its own slot, so it's not just thrown in loosely, it's properly organized and protected. The case feels solid, it's compact, and it's clearly designed for travel. So if you're like me and you're constantly on the move, this just makes your life way easier because you know everything is just in one place and safe. You also get 2 batteries included, which is huge. Instead of worrying about running out of power after one flight, you can swap the batteries and keep shooting straight away. And with the charger included as well, you're basically got a full cycle ready to go at all times. Now what's really nice is if you go for this version with the remote, you actually get a separate hard case for that as well. So again, everything stays protected, the remote, accessories, cables, all neatly packed and easy to carry without worrying about damaging anything. It just makes the whole setup feel a lot more premium and complete. You're not having to buy extra storage or figure out how to carry things, it's all been thought out thoroughly. And for me personally, when you're traveling or filming on the go, that kind of convenience is a game changer. Now the final verdict, guys, is this little bad boy something that you should be getting in 2026? And the obvious answer is yes, because honestly these days now the barrier to entry to become a travel content creator has become so much more easier than it ever has. It's purely because you've got amazing tools like this that just make your life so much easier to film yourself when you're out and about in conditions that you weren't able to previously. So now if you're worried about traveling solo and going out and shooting amazing content on your own, you no longer have to do that because of amazing things like the HoverAir X1 Pro Max. So if you guys also want to get one of these for yourself, I'll leave all the details in the description box and the pinned comment, so you can go check them out and see their collection and see some of the other amazing products that they have, and especially this one, because honestly it has been a game changer for me around the world. So as always guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next episode here on the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and good night.